we're going to make Oggle Boggle. You ready? Okay, so first get the corn flour. Yep, put it by the bowl. Well done. And then, yep, yes, well done. More. That's enough. Okay. Okay, I'll help you with that one. Okay, so that's water. And mix it around. Okay, keep mixing the oil. Yeah, mix it. Mix some water.
A bit banana.
Keep mixing it and add some red food colouring in there. So 2 drops in there. That's it. So what's it doing?
Making
Oh, it's like slime, isn't it?
yeah.
Put more corn flour into the bowl. Keep mixing it. Green colour in there. Add loads and loads and loads in there. Okay. That's the red one. It's like pink, isn't it? Is it pink? What is it then? Is it slime or is it water?
Fine.
Is it slime?
It's fine.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh. Are you going to be quick? It's going to go everywhere. Is it slime really? Is it really slime? Because it looks like water, but it moves like slime. Oh, wow.
Can we put that in there? Cool.
You put all of it in. Be quick, it's everywhere. Is it gone hard now? Push it to the side. Push it on the bottom. Up.
It wasn't.
Oh wow. Oh, look, every time he goes like that and you put it down, it's just magic. It is hard. Yeah. You putting it all back in the bowls?
Yeah. And just fill it. Everyone, bye everyone. See you next time.